Hello, kids. A very happy morning. Happy to see you all safe with your family. Stay safe and stay healthy. And this is your science class. And we are in our second lesson, forces and motion.
So, we are in the last part of the lesson, science today. So, we are going to see about robot.
Robots are automatic machines. Some robots can perform mechanical and repetitive jobs faster, more accurately than people. Robots can also handle dangerous materials and explore distant planets. The term comes from Czech word robota, meaning forced labor. Robotics is the science and study of robot. So this word robot comes from the language Czech, which is spoken in Czechoslovakia, and which means forced labor. So the study about the robots is robotics. So we have classes, right? Robotic classes, and we also learn about robots. And robots are not a new thing to y'all because you have been handled with these robots and you have made up some robots in our robotic class. So what can robot do? So robots can sense and respond to their surrounding. They can handle delicate object or apply great force. For example, to perform eye operation guided by a human surgeon or to assemble a car with artificial intelligence. Robots will also be able to make decisions for themselves. So these are the things which can robot do by itself with its artificial intelligence. How do robots sense? Electronic sensors are a robot's eyes and ears. Twin video cameras give the robot a 3D view of the world. Microphones detect sounds. Pressure sensor gives the robot a sense of touch. To judge how hard to grip a egg or heavy luggage, built-in computers send and receive information with radio waves. So these are the things how the robot can sense its surrounding. So robots have an artificial intelligence which is created computer programs that think like a human brain. Can robots think? Yes, robots can think. They can play complex games such as chess better than human being. But with a robot, even now that it is thinking, humans are conscious. We know we are thinking, but we don't know how consciousness works. We don't know if robots can ever be conscious. So only human can be conscious. So we know that we are thinking, but robots doesn't have consciousness. So finally we are going to see about nanorobotics. Nanobots are robots scaled down to microscopic size in order to put them into very small space to perform an function. Future nanobots would be placed in the bloodstream to perform surgical procedures that are too delicate or too difficult for standard surgery. Imagine if a nanobot could target cancer cells and destroy them without touching healthy cell nearby. So this is going to be our future with nanorobotics. So to sum up, we have discussed about motion and rest. They are related to each other. All things that are at rest can be seen as in motion from a different point of view, and all motions can be seen as rest from a different perspective. Application of forces is implemented by a push or pull. Force can be applied by animated or by an inanimate agency. Application of forces result in motion from rest, increase or decrease in speed, change in direction, and distortion of the shape. Some forces acts only in contact. There are some which can even affect at a distance. Average speed can be calculated by the formula distance traveled by the time taken. The motion are classified according to path, periodic or non-periodic, as well as by speed, which is uniform or non-uniform. So unit of speed is meter per second. So finally we have ended up the lesson. Watch this video 2 to 3 times and start learning. Thank you.